it would be a brand forged by hand, hardened by steel, and revered for American ingenuity. United desire among passionate home cooks, ones who would never settle for anything less than the best. Whether it's our handcrafted, bonded cookware or our latest innovations in the kitchen, the all-clad stamp has become legendary, symbolizing a promise to exceed the expectations of passionate cooks and inspire them throughout their journey. So ignite your imagination. Ignite your quest for perfection. Ignite your inspiration. All-clad. Ignite your passion.
carrots. Don't tear it. More carrots. Where's Garrett?
Vegetables. Vegetables.
Here I come from the west side. The left side. The right brain drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie.
I ordered this amazing set of utensils on Amazon and I've been really impressed. First off, these are full size, you guys. Sometimes you order things on Amazon and they are smaller than you expected. These actually were larger, that containers, so you can put this on your counter. It just looks really sleek, streamlined, modern. Everything looks amazing. It also comes with these hooks in case you do want to hang them. You'll notice on the bottom of every single thing there is a hook, hanger, super easy, so you have everything there. Also comes with measuring spoons, different colors. They've got the milliliters and grams on here, so regardless of what you're measuring, you'll be all set. But I love these, you guys. Like I said, full size, none of those little tiny, and you guys, you get everything that you would ever need in this set. Like, look at this, you've got your slatted spatula, your regular one size. It comes in this, looks great, it looks amazing on your counter, and it has everything you're gonna need. So highly recommend. These are amazing.
Hello, so I'm here and I'm going to be reviewing this 24-piece kitchen utensil set, which is silicone, and so this is made by Chubi. This actually has a hole at the bottom, so that way it's good. It makes it very nice. It's actually heat resistance up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. Easy, and it's already off. And so I love how easily these clean.
All Rada products are 100% made in the USA in Waverly, Iowa. The Rada Cutlery Ultimate Utensil gift set includes the ice cream scoop, the pizza cutter, the serrated pie server, and the spatula. Each utensil is manufactured using quality 300 series high nickel stainless steel. The handles are available in a black stainless steel resin that is dishwasher tolerant, or a solid brushed aluminum that should be hand washed and dried. Rada Manufacturing Company started in 1948, and all Rada products carry a lifetime guarantee.
I just got my package from Asani, and it is the 25-piece utility set that is stainless steel. Now, don't mind that I opened it upside down, but I said, let me show you guys what all I got. Okay. You want to have this, so I would definitely recommend this Asani line. It is just perfect. It gives you everything you need for your kitchen utensils. So yes, I love this.
this nice kitchen utensils from Lever. Very nice product.